Hi everyone, today's Franche Family Challenge is all about VE Day. Now, if we'd been at school, we would have had a huge party on the field, but as that's not going to happen today, we need to improvise at home instead. So let's get ourselves VE Day party ready. No, that's not right, is it? Let's try again. That's not right either. Should we try one more time?
Yeah.
That's better. But why are we even celebrating?
Exactly 75 years ago, on the 8th of May 1945, the UK Prime Minister Winston Churchill announced that war in Europe was over. This was called VE, or Victory for Europe Day, as Germany had surrendered. Millions celebrated across the world with street parties, dancing and singing all through the day and well into the night. Huge crowds dressed in the colours of the Union Jack flag, red, white and blue, and came out to share their joy in an end to the bombing raids, fighting and hardships of war. However, not everyone felt like celebrating. Many people had lost friends and family in the war, and their homes had been destroyed in the Blitz. Before they held their parties, people went to church or had minutes of silence to remember those who wouldn't be able to celebrate with them and reflect on how they could work together to keep the peace people fought so hard for to bring about.
So, how can we celebrate at home? Well, first of all, we need to decorate. I'm going to show you a few different ideas for bunting using things you may have around your house already. It just needs to be red, white and blue. You will need some cardboard like a cereal box, scissors, ruler, paper, pencil and wool, garden twine or string. Take the cereal box and fold it over. Along the fold, measure and draw two sides of a triangle. I wonder which would look better, an equilateral or an isosceles triangle. Can you find out how to draw both? Next, cut it out and open it so you've got a diamond shape. This will be your template to draw around on paper or card to make more. Now it's time to decorate. You could draw red, white and blue patterns or VE Day letters or messages, or you could print a design with paint by making a stamp from a potato. If you have a printer at home, I've put the link to this Union Jack colouring in bunting under the YouTube video description, or if you're short on time, there's even a ready-made one that you can just cut out. This should be a good time for your grown-up to have a cuppa whilst you get creative. When you finish decorating, fold the triangles in half, open them up again and lay them decoration side down. Get some string, garden twine or wool to lay across the middle, add some glue and stick them down. There's lots of other types of bunting you could make.
Pom-pom bunting. Toilet roll bunting.
Actually, is that a bit weird?
It might be.
Right, before we put it up, we're going to have some fun with our bunting.
Okay, remember, roll underneath.
Don't touch it. Right, now I've managed to get a VE Day laser maze bunting related back injury. Not a phrase I thought I was going to say in 2020. We're off to make some lovely party food and see if we can win the MasterChef competition. Mrs. Price is going to be judging them on Monday, so get your entries in on our Facebook page and see if you can win. We'd love to see all your bunting and your decorations and your general partying so that we can feel a little bit more together even though we're apart. Good luck, bye.